Today our guest is Nikhila Chandran. She works at the university in Nijmegen, Radboud University in Nijmegen. She's a part of PHYMOL network. So let's discuss. What you do in your PhD?
I'm a theoretical chemistry student in the theoretical chemistry department of Radboud University in Nijmegen, Netherlands. I calculate the spectra of molecules and atoms when they collide. That's like.
So what kind of molecules? What kind of spectra?
Spectra. So some molecules or atoms, they don't have the spectra of their own. So, but when they collide, they show additional spectral features that are really important for several astronomical applications. So I calculate those kind of spectra.
So what is the most spectacular application you can achieve with that?
If you consider a hydrogen molecule, it doesn't have a dipole moment of its own. But when two hydrogen molecules come and collide, these molecules develop an induced dipole, due to which the complex can absorb light, and that is the collision-induced absorption spectra. And these kind of spectra are really important for cold white dwarf stars and several exoplanets, and at really high temperatures.
Does it happen the same to oxygen molecule, for example?
Yeah. I said, like for an example, I took hydrogen molecule. It happens for a lot of molecules like carbon monoxide, O2, N2, and water,
So what we've learned so far in terms of some hard skills, I mean, like, did you learn some quantum chemistry program, or how to program?
Okay, before that, maybe I should do a little bit correction, because I said some molecules without a dipole moment, but carbon monoxide and water also have dipole moment on its own. But when they collide, they develop an induced dipole, and that is what is important in my studies. And for programming parts, I had to learn a lot of quantum dynamics, the theory as well as the coding part as well. And my supervisor is Dr. Thijs Karman, and he has done his PhD in the same topic. So we have the in-house code for the calculation of the spectra, and I use them and I change them, and that's how.
So can you tell me maybe about your lab? Actually, so you're in Netherlands in a group of Thijs Karman.
Yeah.
So how big is your lab? Actually, can you interact with other students on similar topics?
In the theoretical chemistry department, we have 5 professors, and Thijs is one of them. And Thijs has 3 PhD students, and but all the PhD students of these 5 professors, they always mingle together, discuss, and we always have lunch together. And there is every day we meet and talk.
So you have nice atmosphere to interact.
Really nice atmosphere, and we exchange ideas.
Do you like the city of Nijmegen?
Yes, it's really nice.
You have your favorite restaurants there, or some favorite place?
Favorite. I have my bicycle, bike. So
yes, Netherlands is
Netherlands
bicycle.
Yes. So I really love to cycle, and it's really nice to roam around the place rather than going to a good restaurant. I prefer to go cycling rather than going to restaurants.
Did you visit other cities in Netherlands? Did you like them?
They are really nice with the canals and cycles and
So during your PHYMOL project, actually, you also, you're on secondment in Poland, right? So in my city, Toruń. So did you like the city?
I did my secondment with you, and it was a really nice time, and I learned a lot of
Actually, not very nice question, actually. I'm asking you, do you like my city?
Honestly, I liked your city.
Yes, I believe your opinion is honest.
Yeah, it was really nice to be there. I also learned a lot of things. I really liked Toruń. It was nice.
And do you plan other visits to other countries or other conferences during the remaining time of your
Yeah,
PhD?
yes.
Or
of
you look
course.
forward to some particular visit?
We have not planned anything in particular now, but eventually we will plan, and then I will go to some other university.
So do you like scientific conferences?
Yes, they are really nice. You will meet a lot of people, and you will exchange ideas, and you will talk about your work, and you will learn more about other people's work and about other research areas. And
So in Nijmegen, actually, you have also, to my knowledge, you have also nice, great experimental groups. So do you talk sometimes to those people who do not theoretical but experimental physics?
yeah. Also, we have the experimental groups, and we always have a colloquium once every month, and a general colloquium and colloquium for specific departments. So we go there, and there we meet them, and there we talk. And also we have every year the Atomic, Molecular and Optical Conference AMO meeting in Netherlands, and there we meet a lot of people working in the field of atomic, molecular and optical science. So
actually, as theoretician, I guess you can work more at home. The experimental people, they usually have to say there is no way they can do it sometimes. So do you appreciate it, or like you like work? Do you work at home, or you like, do you bring your work home, or you mostly work in the lab?
I mostly go to the lab. Yes, during weekdays I will be in my lab, and I really like to work there. And sometimes if I want to do something, or if I am bored, if I don't have anything, then I try to work in my home also. But mostly I work in my lab.
So how did you learn about PHYMOL actually, and how you got involved into that?
PHYMOL. When I was doing my master's thesis supervisor, she sent me the link for the PHYMOL website, where the announcement for PhD students were declared. And so that's how I saw the position, and then I saw 11 positions, and there I saw the collision-induced absorption topic, and I really liked that topic, and then I went for it.
So you immediately knew what you would be doing, or like have you heard while doing master, for example, have you heard about collision-induced absorption coefficients, or not really?
Not at all. I first saw it in that in the PHYMOL website, and then I went to my supervisor's website, and then his papers and everything, and that's how I learned about it. And then I felt, this is what I want.
So where did you start your PhD? When did you arrive in Netherlands, and how was that actually? Was it difficult to change the environment?
I started my PhD on the 1st of August 2023. For me, it was not really difficult to get accustomed to the culture of Netherlands or the environment. It was fine.
Yeah, so those Marie Curie networks, they make Marie Skłodowska-Curie networks, they make big opportunities so that you are closer to some people, yes, because you're within the same group. So, how you feel being in PHYMOL, actually? Do you have some kind of close relations with people?
It feels really wonderful to be in the PHYMOL network, because I have, we are a group of students who work in the theoretical chemistry group, and also talk a lot about intermolecular interactions. So it's really good to have people who work in the same kind of topic, so you can discuss about different subject, and if you have some doubts, you can ask them also, and it's really nice.
So, but did you learn something like something interesting which is not connected to your PhD, for example, which you liked during your, for example, conferences or PHYMOL meetings, or interactions with people from lab in Netherlands?
Is it a scientific thing or not?
Let's start with scientific.
Scientific thing, yeah. Most of the coding that I do, it is from my own group in Nijmegen. But for the from the training school of PHYMOL, I have learned a lot of things where we got a lot of classes and hands-on sessions from MOLC. That was wonderful to understand a lot of coding and different coding packages and how to use them, and all these lessons and classes helped me to understand several things, and I try to implement them in my work so that it will be easier for my
What about
PhD.
non-scientific stuff which you learned?
Ice skating.
Okay, yeah.
Ice skating when I was
So I
in
had
Toro.
some impact.
Yes, you did a good job in teaching me how to do ice skating also.
Okay, so I also noticed that you just submitted your first archive paper, right? So what it is about in particular? What kind of...
It is about the collision-induced absorption spectra for noble gas heteroatoms. And these noble gas atoms, they are like spherical, and they don't have a dipole moment when they are so far apart. But when they come close together, their electron will get rearranged because they interact each other, and due to this they develop an induced dipole. And due to this induced dipole, this complex absorbs lights, and we are able to calculate the spectra, the collision-induced absorption spectra.
So you wrote your first scientific paper.
Yeah, about the collision-induced absorption spectra for noble gas atoms, and we found really interesting things in that, because it has been previously claimed that these potential and the dipole, because for calculating the spectra, these are the two important things, the potential and the dipole. Yeah, the potential and the dipole are the two important things we need to calculate the spectra, and it has been claimed that both the potential and the dipole are really important to accurately model the spectra. But no studies have been done so far to understand which among them affect the spectra in a high...
some meaningful way.
Yeah, or which of them affect the spectra more. So we did some studies and we figured out that the dipole is really important. And also people have been saying that the long-range interaction, or studies have been saying that the long-range interaction play a really big role to accurately model the spectra. And our calculations show that that is not the case. And also there is a really new spectrum for neon and helium.
So actually it helps, yes, so in future it will be easier to calculate because you don't
in
worry.
future, we don't have to worry a lot for the other system, because now we have done the study in all the in these systems. Now we can take that experience and then do it for the other bigger system and for a large number of systems.
Okay, thank you. It was really nice discussion.
Okay.
So I wish you that you have easy way with your first paper and it will be accepted soon.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you very much for your talk, and I invite you to follow our channel and see the next talk.